Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to use my drone to try and video some sunrises, but I've had some questions on whether to use hyperlapse, just film it steady, and just speed it up. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you the two and let you decide and give me your feedback. What do you think is the best way to film a sunset, or a sunrise for that matter? So I shot both of these videos using the Mavic Air 2. It's a pretty stable little aircraft, and you consider winds were blowing about 10 to 15 miles per hour. This first video that I shot on the sunrise was about shot every 4 seconds. This was in hyperlapse. Again, it was about every 4 seconds. There was about a 24-minute flight time to give me roughly a 19 or 20-second video. Now, the thing that I didn't like about this one so much is that so much of the wiggle or the jitter or whatever you want to call it, because the Mavic was trying to hold still through all of this. And with the frame rate at every 4 seconds, it just seemed to me like you could see a lot of movement. Now, on the second video, when I shot it, I just filmed straight for about 24 minutes. When I downloaded the file and put it into the editor, I sped it up. I think it said 4,500 times just to make it a shorter video to kind of see that time lapse. Put it at about the same rate as the hyperlapse was done. To me, this seemed like a much smoother sunrise, and the overall video seemed like it had was better overall. I guess the biggest concern that some people would have is, of course, the file size. Filming straight, the file size is huge. But looking at the quality, it seems to me like the quality is so much better. So that's just how I did it. I'm not a professional photographer. All I have is my drone. I don't have a tripod. I know if I had all this set up on a tripod, it'd be a lot different. But what I'm trying to do here is just get some information on the use of my drone and trying to figure out a better way to do sunrises or sunsets. So I hope to hear back from you. Please send me your comments. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, because I do a lot with hiking and waterfalls and things of that nature. And by subscribing to my video, you'll see what else I've got coming up. You'll see some other things that I'm doing with my drone. That's kind of the reason for the whole hobby here. I really enjoy flying it. So I'm just waiting to hear back from you. Thank you guys so much for your comments. Please hit the little subscribe button over there. Did I do it on the right side, or is it on the other side? I don't know, but you can find it. Just move your mouse over it, and you'll see it there. So thanks a lot. Send me your comments. I'll look forward to hearing from you.